Petitioner Yar Muhammad was tried by two different courts, one by learned additional sessions judge 1 at Swat and the other by learned judge ATC Malakand at Swat. Full stop. In the first case, wide FIR number 413, he was convicted and sentenced to 7 years RI with a fine of rupees 10,000 or in default to undergo 6 months SI with benefit of section 382B CRPC on 9 December 2004, while in the second case, wide FIR number 69, he was convicted and sentenced to 12 years RI with a fine of rupees 50,000 or in default to undergo 6 months RI with benefit of section 382B CRPC on 28 July 2005. Full stop. Grievance of the petitioner is that he has almost undergone 12 years prison sentence, but because at two different trials the sentences awarded could not be construed to run concurrently, as there was no order passed to that effect, while under the provisions of section 35 read with section 397 CRPC, he is entitled to such relief. Full stop. Reliance in this regard was placed by learned counsel for the petitioner on the principle of law laid down by this court in the case of Altaf Hussain. Full stop. We have gone through the record and the judgment relied upon. Full stop. This court in similar cases at different occasions has granted such relief to different prisoners because there cannot be two different opinions with regard to the interpretation of the said provisions of law, which was done by this court in the Ibid case. Full stop. The learned additional advocate general present in court could not controvert the above legal position, thus conceded to the same. Full stop.